How to fix voice message on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix voice message on iPhone. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to try out voice message by sending it to yourself. So go ahead on messages and then press and hold on to this voice message option right here and send it. So what you're going to do is to simply press and hold, and then so let's just go back. If you want to send it, simply click on send, or you may press on stop right here. And if you want to review your voice message, click on play right here. Or if you want to delete it, click on X right here. So once you have sent a voice message to yourself, so for example, this one, what you're going to do is to click on the the play button right here. And then let's say, for example, that you cannot hear it. What you're going to do is to press on the speaker button right here. So click on that speaker button and make sure it is turned on. So the default one is that it will play on the speaker found on the upper part of your phone. However, if you click on this speaker button right here, the audio will play on the speaker found on the bottom of your phone, which is the louder speaker compared to the speaker on the upper part of your phone. So try it out by playing a voice message, and then again make sure to turn or click the speaker button, and then that's it. That's how you can fix the voice message on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.